Nail fam, how I have missed you. Let's roll these sleeves up and get right into this. Yes, there's self-tanner, scabs. We're ignoring all that, okay? I know I'm way behind on this hack, this TikTok nail hack. You know, y'all have seen it. And I at least wanted to do a video on it though. So here I am, a year later doing that. And I'm going to use the Bellavena Magic Tip Gel Kit from Double Dip. And you guys, I love this kit. It is awesome. I will have it linked below along with pretty much everything else that I use in this video. The nail tips are soft gel, so they are soak off, and the sizes range from 0 to 10. Also, I just want to note that they fit so nicely. They just feel like really good quality. Typically, nails made out of soft gel do, but I don't know, these were just, I really like them. It felt like a customized fit, like they were made just for me. So I don't know. I just wanted to note that, you know, I know people worry about sizing a lot, so. I'm going to finish showing you what we're working with today. I'm going to size out my nails, and while I'm doing that, I just wanted to say real quick, I'm not going to be as talkative in this video, probably. I mean, to a lot of people, it'll still probably sound very talkative, but hey. Yeah, I think it's going to be a bit more quiet today, and I'll pop in if needed, when needed, or, you know, if I just want to here and there. But anyway, I should also tell you, for subscribers, I went ahead, I've opened memberships up, so check those out if you're interested. There will be, like, you know, members only videos and whatnot. If you click on it, you'll be able to see everything that's offered, and I do plan to add to it soon. I just didn't want to promise anything that I could not deliver on, or I don't have a lot of faith in myself right now. But speaking of, that's why I brought that up. You know, I've been gone for a few months, and I've got a video that I'll be uploading this week to the members only section, just explaining that a bit. And I'm not trying to, like, put this behind a paywall. It's very personal to me, and also a lot of people probably don't want to hear what I have to talk about. So does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. Okay, I'm going to quit rambling now, and yeah. But before I quit talking, we got to get back upbeat. Put a smile on your face. Let's do some nails. This is going to be fun. I miss you guys. I'm beyond thrilled to be uploading again. The first thing I'm going to do is apply the Bellavena gel nails to my nails. I've had a little leakage, but we can clean that up. I should have cleaned it up before I cured it, but I was having a moment if you couldn't tell. I'm going to use one of the files I always use, and what I'm doing here is seasoning the file. I'm sure most, if not all of y'all, have cut your cuticle area and that skin. It's so fragile right there, and this paper is so sharp. So I just go around a brand new file with an older one and just kind of wear that edge down a bit, just to avoid cuts and nicks and all that. I'm going to remove that excess gel that leaked out right here. And then after that, I'm going around all the cuticles just to kind of just to kind of blend these gel nails in with my natural ones a bit, you know, make them look a bit seamless. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. Of course, if you have an e-file, that's always quicker and easier to some. But I'll link this one below. It's a great one. I've had it since I started doing nails just 3-4 years ago now. I can't even remember, but it has lasted since then and it's still going strong. I had to hop in again. I'm sorry. She's being quiet. Where? Okay, really though, this is my favorite pink ever. And here's in another light, under another light, I'm sorry. But it's just like the most gorgeous neon, flaming hot pink. So if you're looking for a good hot pink, sis, this is it. Who am I kidding? We all knew I wouldn't be able to shut up. So look, I'm motioning with my hands here, so I feel like I have to talk. But yeah, I'm doing the hack. This is the hack. And I want to just say, I did not create this. I personally don't care if I use too much polish, whatever. Look, this is for fun, not for educational purposes. So we good? I hope we're good. Beetles Gel Polish recently sent me this gorgeous set of liner polishes and I'm dying to use them. So I'm going to incorporate them into this look and I know exactly what I'm going to do. I'm only going to use one color, but you'll see these in a future video or file. I tested them out over black polish and bang, they're popping. So we'll see them soon. I saw Nelku do this and create a marble when she did this kind of video, and I thought I'd give it a try. So here we go. While things might have been a bit messy, and I may have been a bit stuttery and shaky and everything else, I really love how these turned out. And yeah. Oh, these shears, I thought I'd show them to you. I have had these since beauty school, which is like 18 years ago or something now. I don't know. Another oldie but a goodie. I'll link those below too. But anyways, I wanted to do a little something else to these plain nails. Or to the plain nail. So yeah, I am going to put foil on it. And this is yet another journey that I'm going to leave in for you.
Wet tissues. It's just making the fact that we can't laugh. Stop. Right, no, let's start seriously. Okay, right now. Yeah, let's regroup quick.
And this is the final result. So if you made it this far, thank you so much. You got to leave a like if you made it to here. And consider subscribing, because that would be awesome. The more nail fam there is, the better. And yeah, I need you to help me think of a better name than nail fam. Even though y'all, you're my nail fam. But I love how this marble turned out, don't you? And I was also thinking about doing a little something different to them. And then I just decided, no, we'll leave them like this. I thought about using these here, these little clear crystals from a cart, or these light pink ones, which don't look pink here, but they are. So what would you have done? What would you have done differently? Would you have added anything or anything? I don't know, guys, but it has been great, and I can't wait till next time.
Sunshine.